Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple 3D braided baby blanket pattern, or you can use this pattern your every project. For example, you can make a beanie, you can use it on your cardigans, you can make a pillow with that pattern. So simple, only 2 rows repeating. This has a 3D effect. You can see this is background. I use here 5mm hook. Actually, you can use more bigger hooks if you want more softer. Okay, this is a sample. I crochet 1.5 ball. One ball is 100 grams and it's equal to 3.5 ounces. It's equal to 328 yards and 300 meters. It's 100% of acrylic, and this is Madame Tricot Paris Kitty Baby. Color number is 373, and this yarn category is fine. Size category is 2. They recommend us using 4mm. I use 5mm, but I say to you, you can use actually 6mm, 5.5 or 6. It gets more softy. Okay, you can wash in 30 degrees, in low degrees you can iron that, and don't put in tumble dryer. Okay, this is only 2 rows repeating. Start with single crochet row and finish with single crochet row. So simple. I will tell you, I want to make simple projects for you on this channel. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot for your kind comments, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot again. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple 3D braided blanket pattern. Let's start crochet. I will make a sample for you for this pattern. I use different colored but same quality yarn. Okay, for this pattern we need multiples of 3. First of all, make a slip knot. Then not make so tight your chains. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You will make your 3 chains. Which size you want? If you want to make a baby blanket, you need minimum 90 centimeter. Don't forget, if you want to make a throw, you need minimum 110 or 130. It's about for you. But of course, you can use this pattern everywhere. This is so suitable pattern for every project because the braid is a classic. You know that. Then skip this very first, insert into the second one and make single crochet. Insert into the next one, make single. Insert into the next one, make single. You will make a single crochet in each stitch. I complete my single crochets. Now chain 3 and turn my work. Count as my first double, yarn over, skip this very first because this chain 3 is my first double crochet. Insert into the next one and make double crochet. This time I will make a double crochet in each stitch. Yarn over, insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, this is double crochet. This is my last stitch and make my last double crochet. Now we will start our pattern. Chain 2 and turn your work. Yarn over twice. Count as my first stitch half double crochet. So skip the second one, insert into the third one as front post. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Make double treble. Yarn over twice, insert into the next one as front post again. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I made 2 double treble. Yarn over twice, we skip this second one, you know that. Insert again as front post. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 2 loops. Then look at my stitch. Here 1 and 2 skip. Insert into the third one. Here. Grab my yarn. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together. That's it, we made our braid. Yarn over twice, skip next stitch, start from the second one, make your front post double treble. 1, then yarn over twice, insert into the next one as front post, make again front post double treble. Yarn over twice, turn back to this skip stitch. As front post I insert, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 2 loops. Look at my stitch. Previous rows, skip 1, 2, insert into the third one. Grab my yarn. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together. Yarn over twice, skip next one, insert into the next stitch as front post. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert into the next one as front post again. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make 2 front post double treble. Yarn over twice, turn back to this skip stitch. Insert my hook as front post again. Pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 2 loops, not complete my third front post double treble. Okay, turn back to previous row stitch, skip 1, 2, insert into the third one. Grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Yarn over twice, I will show you one more time. Skip next stitch, insert into the next one, the second one, as front post, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1. Yarn over twice, insert the next one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make 2 double treble, front post double treble. Yarn over twice, turn back to this skip stitch, insert as front post, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Not complete your double treble. Then turn back to previous row, skip 1, 2, insert into the third one. Grab your yarn, you have 3 loops, pull through all together. Here last stitch, we start with chain 2, you know. We complete our row with half double crochet on the last stitch. I made usual half double. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Here we made our braid. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Not count this chain 1. Insert into the same stitch and make single crochet. You will make a single crochet in every each stitch. The second row is repeating like that. Every stitch you will make single crochet. Here. Don't forget your last stitch here and complete second row with single crochet. Then chain 2 and turn your work. Do the same thing, actually your work more easier than the previous row. Yarn over twice, count as my first half double here. Then skip the second one. We work with these front posts. Okay, not single crochet. We will make our stitch on the previous front posts. Skip the first one. Insert the second one as front post again. Grab my yarn, make my front post double treble, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert into the third one. Look at here. Actually, you can take it like that, okay, because this is the second tree group. Like that, I insert, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I made here 2 front post treble. Then yarn over twice again. Here we skip stitch, insert that as front post, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Not complete my third front post double treble. Look at here and 1 and 2 skip. Insert the third one. Grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Complete my braid. Yarn over twice. Not work with single crochet, you will work with one before of previous row, these front posts. Skip the first one, insert the second one, always as front post. Make your double treble, yarn over twice, insert the third one, make your double treble, yarn over twice, turn back this skip stitch. Start to make your double treble, but not complete here. Now turn back to single crochet row and skip here 1 and 2, insert into the third one, grab your yarn, you have 3 loops, complete your double treble. Yarn over twice, skip this stitch, start from the second, make your front post double treble, yarn over twice, insert the third one, make your front post double treble, yarn over twice, turn back to skip stitch as front post, pull through 2, not complete, turn back to single crochet row and skip 1, 2, insert into the third one, grab your yarn, you have 3 loops and complete your front post double treble. Yarn over twice, skip the first one, start from the second, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice, insert the third one, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice, turn back to skip stitch, pull through 2, not complete. Look at here, 1, 2 skip, insert into the third one, you have 3 loops and complete your front post double treble. Then don't forget your last stitch, yarn over, insert into the last stitch, grab your yarn, you have 3 loops, pull through all together and finish your row with half double crochet. Chain 1, do the same thing actually, chain 1 and turn, not count, and make single crochet in every each stitch. Okay, here. I made a single crochet in every each stitch. Don't forget your last stitch. Chain 2, turn your work count as your first stitch half double crochet. You do the same thing, yarn over, skip the first front post double treble, insert the second one as front post, make your front post double treble, yarn over twice, insert the third one, make your front post double treble, yarn over twice, insert your skip front post here as front post, pull through 2, not complete, and turn to your single crochet row here, 1 and 2 skip, insert into the third one, grab your yarn, you have 3 loops, pull through all together and complete your front post double treble. That's it, only repeating those 2 rows here. It gets beautiful pattern, so simple, so gorgeous. I hope you like it and you like my video ankle. Now I will change it my video type. Hope you like it, and it will be more clear my video and crocheting. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.